How to import only selected products in Pricefy.
Pricefy can import your whole catalog. Enter only the products you choose. Here's how. Go to Settings, then Product Feed, and click the filter icon next to Sync Catalog. Platform filters import every product matching a rule, like a tag from your store. Products without it stay out. Pick your values, then save. For full control, switch to Product Selection. Every product in your store is listed here, and the counter at the top shows how many are included or excluded. You can search products by name, SKU, or code. Then tick the products you want. The action bar lets you include or exclude them from the import in one click. When your selection is ready, click Save. After saving, click Sync Catalog to run a new import. The import history below lists every run and how many of your selected products came in. Thanks for watching. If you need help, contact us using our live chat or write to us at help@pricefy.io.